tailoring content for maximum impact on every platform. Over the next few minutes, we will learn some tips on how to optimize your content for each platform that you can start implementing for your business today. By the way, don't forget to send me a message and I'll send over a platform-specific content checklist to enhance your social media presence. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas that you can start implementing right away after watching my videos. Let's get started. The first point in tailoring content effectively is understanding the uniqueness of each platform. Each social media platform has its own personality, own audience, and content preferences. For example, Instagram is perfect for visually appealing content, showcasing stunning images or videos that catch the eye. It's a platform where creativity and aesthetics thrive. Twitter, on the other hand, thrives on quick updates, thought-provoking statements, and clever use of hashtags. It's a place for concise and impactful messages. LinkedIn is the hub for professionals, demanding industry insights, career advice, or thought leadership. YouTube, being the home of video content, allows for longer form, in-depth videos where you can provide tutorials, educational content, or share your expertise. TikTok, on the other hand, is all about short, snappy videos that entertain, inform, and capture attention. It's a platform where trends and creativity take center stage. Understanding the differences between these platforms is key to creating content that resonates with the platform's audience. A one-size-fits-all strategy may not yield the best results you're hoping for, so do your research and craft content that is platform-specific. Next, you need to adapt your content's tone and language to suit each platform's audience. Remember, you're speaking to different demographics and engaging with diverse communities. If you're using Instagram to reach a younger demographic, embrace informal, conversational language that don't shy away from emojis. It's a platform where you can be more playful and casual. On the other hand, if you're targeting a professional audience on LinkedIn, maintain a professional tone. Focus on providing valuable industry insights and establish yourself as a trusted source. YouTube allows for longer form content, so you have the opportunity to dive deeper into the topics, provide detailed explanations, and engage with your audience through the comments and discussions. TikTok, with its short form videos, calls for quick, attention-grabbing language, catchy hooks, and engaging storytelling. The goal is to match your audience's preferences and connect with them on a deeper level. The more your content resonates with your audience, the more likely they are to engage, share, and take action. Lastly, timing is everything. You can have the most valuable content, but if it's posted at the wrong time, it may not reach your audience. Each social media platform has optimal posting times when their users are most active and receptive to your content. For example, the best time to post to Facebook might be during the evenings when people are relaxing and scrolling through their feed. LinkedIn users tend to be more active during business hours, so posting during weekdays can be more effective. YouTube has its own algorithm that rewards consistency, so maintaining a regular posting schedule and engaging with your audience's comments is essential. TikTok is known for its viral trends, so timing your content to align with popular trends and challenges could boost its reach and engagement. Utilize the insights provided by each platform, such as analytics and audience engagement data, to understand when your audience is most active. This way, you can schedule your content for these peak times and increase your visibility and impact. Well guys, I hope that helps. Don't forget to send me a message and I'll send over a platform-specific content checklist to enhance your social media presence. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.